Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can basically complete seasonal quests on Dress to Impress. Super simple to do. To complete it, go to your daily tasks and there's going to be a seasonal button. Select it, and as you can see, it says play 10 style showdown rounds and you can win up to 300 shells. So I think that's a good deal. So yeah, thank you Dress to Impress for doing that. I think you can also get XPs from the style showdown rounds for the body pass. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.